Hey guys, it's Shane from Jags Journeys. We're just going to have a quick video today looking at some construction progress at two of the theme parks in the Gold Coast. I'm here at SeaWorld down at Main Beach. They've got the new Atlantis area being built, and we've got the Vortex ride, which you can clearly see the Vortex from here, and also the Leviathan roller coaster. There's only footings down at this point in time and a slab, but we'll have a peek over the fence and have a look at the Leviathan footings and slab, and then you'll be able to see the Vortex further in the distance. So we'll check SeaWorld out now. So straight over there is the Vortex ride. They're currently in the process of doing all the theming around the ride now. So the ride, it looks like it's up and the theming is being done, or if not nearly done. As far as the Leviathan for the roller coaster, this is the footing slab here for the roller coaster. So that's coming along quite well. They've been happening, they're still doing construction during the lockdowns and everything. So yeah, construction's moving ahead at SeaWorld. Looking forward to the whole Atlantis precinct to be open, hopefully later on in the year or into next year, but I know that they'll be working hard to get it done as soon as possible. So that's the SeaWorld construction update. So this video shows the Atlantis area at SeaWorld. So it's just a quick preview of the area. So that's the entire aerial view. So on the left you've got the Vortex. Now that's not opening obviously December 19, that's gone and passed. So we're not sure of the opening date yet, definitely once the theme parks are reopened again. Trident, again in the middle there, not sure when that's opening at this point. Leviathan, maybe December this year, may not be, so that's the roller coaster there. Should be some video footage of that roller coaster actually. There we go. Now this is a wooden roller coaster too, so it's pretty cool and quite something unique. Awesome, looks great. And for the second theme park construction update, we're back at Dreamworld in the Gold Coast. Dreamworld are building a $30 million roller coaster. They haven't actually named this roller coaster yet, but it is built by Mack. They build a lot of the amazing roller coasters around the world. This roller coaster is going to be a 1.2 kilometer track, which is very impressive. It's a $30 million roller coaster, so it's a decent roller coaster, world-class roller coaster here for the Gold Coast, which is going to be sensational. It is a triple launch coaster as well, so that's something that we haven't seen here in the Gold Coast. A triple launch coaster, 1.2 kilometer track, 105 kilometer per hour speed, so it's going to be pretty impressive. Unfortunately, we can't show you over the fence here at Dreamworld because it is being built in the middle of the park near the giant drop there, so I can't sort of see anything there to show you. However, they have just started to receive the parts to this roller coaster, so I'm able to show you now the parts that are arriving in all the shipping containers. I guess it's not much to see, it's like a puzzle at this point in time. However, it is the parts of the roller coaster that's arriving. So the good news is construction is moving ahead here at Dreamworld. We can't wait for the theme parks to reopen here in the Gold Coast. It is theme parks, people come to the Gold Coast for the theme parks and the weather and the beaches. This new attraction here is going to be amazing. Movie World has a decent roller coaster. They launched a few years ago, a massive one out the front there. Similar in size, but this one is going to be different with the triple launch. So very interesting to see when this is done. And once it's done, we'll also come here and show you this roller coaster. What we'll do today as well, once I've shown you the the poles and bits and pieces that have arrived, I will show you some photos of what the roller coaster is going to look like, and I might even be able to show you a sort of a video of what the ride will actually be like as well. Alright, so we'll just go and check out some of the parts of the roller coaster. So all of the framework here will start to be erected very shortly. We'll start to see it rising above the skyline here at Dreamworld, so that will actually make a difference to the skyline here. It will add another dimension to the front of the park. It's going to look amazing. So yeah, parts are arriving now. At this point in time, it's obviously just the framework. Then the tracks will start to arrive, followed by obviously the roller coaster. So this is good news. It's all going ahead. $30 million roller coaster, yet to be named. We're not sure what they're going to name it yet, but I don't think it's been named anyway. Yeah. So what I'll do now is I'll just show you some screenshots of what the roller coaster here at Dreamworld will look like, and I'll try and find a video that we can film as well, so you can have a look at what it potentially will look like once it's up and running as well. So take a look. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the new roller coaster at Dreamworld. Remember, this roller coaster has the triple launch system. .2 kilometer track, 105 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's have a look at the in-car experience on this coaster. And there you have it. Now that's awesome. So that ride is coming soon to Dreamworld. Can't wait for that one. Hey guys, that's going to do it today for our construction update on the new attractions coming to SeaWorld and Dreamworld. We hope you enjoyed the video. We're not going to do too many of these construction updates, just a couple, and then we'll show you the new attractions once they're open. Once again, if you're new to our channel, Jags Journeys, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to keep you up to date with all the fun journeys that we do. Please share our channel, give our videos a like. We really appreciate your support. Anyway folks, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey.